Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And today I have Shulagna Bhattacharya with me once again. Hi Shulagna, how are you doing?
I'm good. How is quarantine treating you, Chintu?
Just the same way it's treating you. Shulagna, I hope you come back soon to Kolkata. But guys, like today's podcast is about a very good topic and it's about judging people. So yeah, Shulagna, what is judging people according to you?
We have few thoughts and feelings and observations, okay? It might be, good, it might be bad, or it might be neutral. So, at times, people tend to judge people, and it turns out to be a negative thought process. So, yeah, I'm not saying that I don't do it. Yeah, I have also done it, but then this is something we all should avoid because too much judging of judging people tends to bullying people. So that's what is judging according to me. So there are certain criterias which I'll be discussing in the other section.
Okay.
Over to you,
Yeah,
Chintu.
thanks. Yeah, Sulagna, that was pretty vivid description, no doubt. But yeah, so next question to you is, why do you think, as human beings, we tend to judge others? What's the theory or what's the scenario? Like, why do people judge others?
Okay, so we as human beings we have a very low self esteem, okay? So whatever is our own fear, like whatever we fear by our own, we tend to impose those things on others. Like suppose I'm scared of dogs, okay, and there is this person going out carrying dogs, and then I'll be like, oh my god, look at him, he's carrying dogs. So that's a judgment, right? That's because I'm scared of
Indeed.
dogs. That doesn't mean that person is also scared of dogs, right? And
Yeah.
then, yeah. So a huge example that I can set right now is, um, there are certain people. They have certain taste of music, certain taste of movies. So I personally am a huge fan of Bollywood music and Bollywood movies. So I love listening to Bollywood. I'm a huge fan of Shah Rukh Khan. I love listening to all his 90s movies and songs. Okay. So there are people judging me that in the zamana of Coldplay you are listening to Bollywood. I mean, who are you to judge me? What is your problem? Bollywood is something which has been given to us as a gift. We are Indians, right? We are supposed to listen to Bollywood. What is wrong with Bollywood? And who are you to judge me? Right? So I have seen a
Exactly.
lot of people that, oh, you are from English medium, why can't you listen to just English songs? Like, I'm sorry, my taste of song and taste of music is not limited. I am a versatile person.
Exactly. It's like it's a choice.
Yeah,
When
it's
what
a
we feel,
choice.
yeah. Indeed. So we shouldn't judge others based on the choice they have, be it whatever they listen to Coldplay or listen to old Bollywood songs or even Bengali songs. Yeah,
Yes,
I even
exactly.
see people like who don't have a good taste for Rabindra Sangeet as well. So does that mean we should judge them? Not at all, right? And even if someone is listening to ghazals and all, even that's their choice. So we are no one to judge anyone based on their choices in life.
I
Isn't that right,
I
Shulagna?
have friends who are of my age and they are listening to Sangeet and they are listening to ghazal, Sufi music. I'm like, wow, they have such good taste. Probably I would not listen. Okay, like maybe I would, but there are certain songs that I would listen and then I'll just pause and play something else. But then there are people of my age group who are listening to those songs, but that doesn't give me the rights to judge them. Who am I? It's their taste
Exactly.
of music. Not only, it's not only about the taste of music, it's about taste of clothes, it's about uh, you know um having a certain opinion about certain things, using TikTok, then making videos, making dance videos, posting pictures on Instagram. Moreover, the whole social media hype that has been created, like people have stereotyped, you know. So this
Exactly.
hurts me a lot. That why have you stereotyped this choices of certain people?
Exactly. No doubt, it was such a well explanation, Shulagna. Yeah. So my next question to you is, what are some of the questions that we should ask ourselves before judging any person?
Okay, so the questions that we can ask ourselves is, uh, are we feeling isolated? Are we ashamed of what, you know, we are doing? Are we misunderstanding the other person? Are we being too much, dwelled with criticism? Are we trying to demean the other person because we lack self confidence?
Okay, exactly.
So
So these are the
these are
questions that
the
we should.
these are certain questions that we should ask ourselves before judging people. Like, am I perfect? No, I don't think so. I am perfect. I have my
Yeah.
crazy side. I have a, I have this side of me which I won't be taking out in front of anyone else. So I'm no one to judge others. I should ask
Indeed.
myself, if I'm judging someone, I am questioning my own self esteem. That's the only point I can, make.
Yeah. Indeed. So before judging anyone, we should at least think twice and ask ourselves this question that Shulagna mentioned in the answer, right? So, Shulagna,
Yes.
how do you think that person, a human being or person whom we are judging, how does it affect them? Like, what do they go through? And even like we all have been judged by someone or the other. Even you have been judged as well. So, what do you think from any personal experience, or maybe someone you know very close to you has gone through a lot because of this judging thing? So, how does it affect?
Okay, so I myself have, gone through a lot because of all these judgments. So, I'll just give you an example. When I was little, I have like grown up with all the guy friends all around. Okay, and my lifestyle has been a little different because my family is quite open-minded and we don't, differentiate whether it's a guy friend or a girlfriend. It's all equal to my parents. So I have been cycling with my buddies. I have been partying with my buddies. I'm like sitting and dancing all the time with all the guy friends that I have. So there have been people who've been judging me because of my guy friends, because of my clothes, because of my accent. So I was born in Assam and I did not have a proper accent for Bengali. So when I came to Kolkata, when I moved to Kolkata, people have been judging me for my accent. Like, I was a little girl then. I did not even know how to react. So right now, what my point is, I after like growing up a little bit, I have matured myself enough. So I generally ignore, okay, to the judgments. But then there are people who, you know, maybe when they are being commented or like they are being judged, they react normally, but somewhere in their subconscious senses they might be thinking, ki, am I doing something wrong? Am I like it, lowers down their self confidence somewhere or the other, and they tend to change their selves because of all the judgments.
Exactly. They start questioning
Yes,
themselves,
they
like whether
start
there is something
questioning
really
themselves.
wrong.
And I
Yeah,
have been through
exactly.
this phase, but then thank God that I had parents who have been very supportive. I have friends who been very supportive. For example, you. Like
Yeah,
that boosted up my self confidence a lot.
exactly. Yeah. So yeah, you tend to think that you are like lower than anybody, or you feel inferior. That's how it happens, no doubt.
Yes, there
But
are so
whereas
many
like
people
there
who
is
think
nothing
that
wrong with
way.
us. Indeed.
Yes, there are
Exactly.
so many
Yeah.
people who think that way. So I'll give you a vulnerable example, which I have done to a
Yeah.
person, and I'm still guilty about it. So I was in fifth standard, and there was a guy in my class. So he had some girly habits, okay, which is totally fine. But then I used to tease him a lot. I used to sit with my friends and joke around all the time, which now definitely I would hate someone doing that. I hate myself for doing that. But that time I did not have so much maturity. Maybe I did not have someone to explain to me that this is not correct. The thing you're doing is not correct. But gradually, when I grew up, I understood that what I did to that person might have hurt him so much, right?
Exactly. That's how we grow. Like we grow from our experiences. Maybe we are doing something wrong, and then we take time to figure out, right? And but once we figure out, we should change that very moment. Yeah, that's what's really important in life, no doubt.
Yes, exactly.
So
And
yeah,
this
Shulla.
is 21st
Yeah,
century. I don't think people need to make any judgments. The
exactly. No
Supreme
doubt.
Court is sitting right there to make the judgments. We don't need to.
Indeed. So yeah, last question to you is, what is your advice for the person who feels that he or she is being judged or bullied? So what should they feel, or what should they tell themselves? Like, okay, even if they are being judged, so how should they control or handle that judgment by others if they are facing at all?
The only advice to them would be, you are the best. Your choices are the best because they are your own choices. Your parents believe in you, so do you believe in yourself. Okay, never lose your self confidence because some third person came up to you and said something. And yes, the best thing to do with kind of people who judge you is ignore. That's the only advice I have for these kind of people. Just ignore judgmental people. That's it. That's what I do. That's what I personally think
Ex-
others should also do.
Exactly, just like you said, ignorance is bliss. So to all
Focus
the
your
people who are
energy
feeling,
and attention upon those who love and appreciate you.
exactly, the people who gives you positive energy throughout, and like you feel a boost of inner self while you are with them. So yeah, there are so many people around, no doubt. And even if there aren't anybody, so it's you yourself is enough. That's what I feel, right?
Yes,
So
adopt an attitude of gratitude.
exactly, no doubt. So thanks, Shulagna, so much
Thank you
for
so
this
much. I
information,
really
no
had fun
doubt.
talking about this topic. I really wanted to do this with you.
Exactly, no doubt. I know better than you, in fact. But yeah, dude, like just after this lockdown gets over, do come over to Kolkata. No doubt, we'll be having more
Surely.
podcast
I
sessions
hope the
with face to face.
audiences will be enjoying this because this is quite relatable.
Exactly. Not only relatable, but it's actually reality. We have faced it through. So like it's bound to be like, and it's totally nothing scripted or something like that. We are making answers or we are writing something, right? But it's totally our life that we are sharing, and that's what will affect people, no doubt, and it might help a lot of them, right?
Okay,
Thanks once
one
again.
message
So
to the audience is,
yeah.
guys, please don't be judgmental.
Okay, so this is the time to change, even if you're judgmental on all. Just like Shulagna said, ask the few questions that you need to ask yourselves before judging anybody. And personally, I feel we shouldn't judge anybody because everyone out there has a story of their own, be it him or her, right? So this was all for today. We'll be back with another podcast session really soon. Thank you once again, Shulagna. Bye. Yeah.